Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create QR code for Google Maps location using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you have to go to your Google Maps application and you have to pick a location you want to create QR code. For example, I'm just going to pick random location, and then we have to copy the link of this Google Maps location. You can click on share and then click on copy to clipboard, and after that we're going to open our Canva application and then just create new design by clicking on this plus button and choose the size for your design. I'm just going to select this Instagram post, and then after that you can go to the apps, go to the app section on Canva. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, we can scroll all the way to the right and go to the apps and search for QR code. You just need to type in QR code like this to get the QR code. Okay, and there are a couple of options and you can choose this one, this QR code application, and you can paste the link you have copied from your Google Maps, this one, and we can click on generate code. Alright, and now the QR code has been created. We just need to go back to our design, and this is the QR code for my Google Maps location. You can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can customize it as you like. Once you're ready, you can click on this button to save the QR code to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create QR code for Google Maps location. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.